He's thinking he'll become his own hero like his favorite idol. On the way to becoming a good citizen of the town of Doggos. So no one will tell that they're twins, right? The way he expresses himself is quite indirect.
Okay.
Hello.
How to take a good nap? Easy. It's when Papa turned himself into a pillow. Wherever Mum is, it's where his home is. Big brothers look like they're ready to take charge whenever Mum tells them. When beauty is in the eye of the beholder.
من خیلی موقع با هم
How to put your name on the vet's blacklist.
آمبول اینجا هستن.
Oh, youth, always on the warpath.
มีชื่อลูกปอกคอไม่ได้มาจากรังสัตว์เลี้ยง15 ตัวครับเราไม่เคยนับ
So actors also watch their films at home like normal people, huh? When Mum told siblings to play with each other. Finally, another angel has arrived on Earth. Can't stay focused when your distractor is too tempting.
Come up and spend the night?
5-year-old me when I go to my mum and dad's room because I've had a nightmare.